Hello dear friends, welcome back to Dear Elaine. So we're gonna walk around Georgetown, DC and then go back to the apartment to do some art journaling. This is my first time in Georgetown. It's mainly a college town. It's very yuppie. I love the cute little homes, and I've noticed that DC doesn't waste any space. All their houses are built right next to each other in rows. We're getting bagels from a Jewish deli named Call Your Mother. I think it's a pretty good reminder to call your mom in a college town. We got the chai apple cider and the Royal Palm Lox bagel, which is something I'm used to getting in New York. The bagel was yummy. I'm not sure if I was really hungry or that it reminded me of New York, but the capers really did it for me. All right, next stop, cupcakes. So we didn't go to Georgetown Cupcakes, but we got cupcakes in Georgetown. I hear they're a bit overpriced and not that great, so we went to Baked and Wired instead. It's good. The frosting is very lemony. I don't really taste the raspberry yet, but maybe it's the jam. Maybe there's, oh wow, there is jam. My cupcake was really good, but I need to save some for my husband. Currently I locked him in a room where he's watching Game of Thrones or napping. Anyways, I hope today reminded you of the mini adventures we used to take in New York before I did my bullet journal themes. But for this video, I wanted to art journal with you. So lately, I have been getting into art journaling more. I love being able to collect images and art and words all in one place. Mainly, it's a visual diary for me. So a lot of you have said in the past that you enjoy going on adventures with me. And one thing that I love doing after my adventures is to record it down in a visual way. So I was thinking we could select a memory from today and illustrate it in my art journal. I hope this encourages you to art journal as well. I think it's very fun. It's a simple, easy way to find inspiration from daily things. We don't have to travel like super far just to find inspiration. I think there's inspiration all around us if we look for it. Also, I just wanted to say that I started a newsletter. Wanted to be able to have a deeper conversation that is less transient, more meaningful than just a story or just a post on Instagram that lasts for 24 hours. Send a newsletter with my inspirations, some creative freebies or just thoughts and recipes, and it's just packed with creative content. So if you do want to sign up for my mailing list, just make sure to confirm. My email might show up in your promotion or your spam box. Just make sure to click that and click confirm. And then I will be able to send you creative content on a monthly and hopefully more often basis. All right, let's get creative. I printed a picture I took of the deli and I'll be using my watercolor journal that I made last month. If you want to make your own too, you can check out my watercolor sketchbook DIY tutorial. I always start with a light sketch. I don't fill in all the details, but just approximately for proportion and where I want everything to be placed. I am using gouache and color pencil today. I will list my supplies below if you want to check them out. I find exploring and traveling to be one of the best ways to find inspiration and improve my art skills. By drawing these memories, I get to try new subjects, and it also helps me improve how I see color, shadows, and shape. On this next page, I'll be drawing a simple illustration of our breakfast from the deli. I encourage you to try new art mediums. I love using color pencil on my outlines because it adds playfulness, texture, and it's easy and a forgiving medium. I love playing with layouts in my art journal, so for this spread I will be putting illustrations on opposite corners and adding text in the empty spaces. On this corner I'm drawing a row of stores. I liked how the buildings are different colors and they're glued right next to each other. I think illustrating simply in an art journal is good practice to illustrate quicker. I think this is one way you can develop your art style further because it's mostly intuitive, how you interpret a real life scene into a quick illustration. By the way, my stickers are coming back. Currently, I'm still designing them, but if you want to be the first to know when they'll be back, it's another reason to join my mailing list. This is an old sticker sheet on washi paper. I just love how it's slightly translucent and can blend in anywhere. I also added some washi tape just as decor, and now I'll be filling in my journal with some headings and text. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know what you think in the comments below and subscribe if you haven't for more creative hangouts.